YouTube, thanks for 12th edition here, bringing you Inazuma 11 Go Galaxy Supernova. Today we're gonna play the Ixal Fleet level 99, yeah. It has been quite a bit. Anyway, we've A-ranked this team while I've been just practicing around, and yeah. Today I can't really decide whether to go with a Blizzard or Courier, but today we're gonna go with Blizzard since I think they're ready to beat this challenge, actually. I think they were the ones that actually got the A rank, but I think it was my other team, Courier, though. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy this match. They're 99, they're 99. I hate my camera, it's been annoying. But that won't be for long. Tomorrow I'm going to be ordering the capture card, and yeah. Actually saved up my money to get this capture card. Anyway, let's go with our first question of the day. Holy God. We're going to go with oh God, that name. So we're going to go with Sensei Lancelot. Level 0. We'll go with and yeah, we're gonna go with a move that's the mixing action weapon. Great Blaster G. Oh God, I don't think I should have used that. Serpent Fang. Knew it wouldn't have worked. Anyway, let's do this. What do we call? Oh, can we actually do this? Oh no, we couldn't do it. It's a shame. I can really adjust my camera a bit. Bring up in the book. Anyway, sorry about that. Let's not touch my cards question first. We'll go with the mixing action one first. So first we're gonna go with this soul. As I said, yeah, I'm gonna try to make it a bit more easier for me to record. And yeah. Will we be able to do it? Oh no, they're gonna go corner half. And that move only belongs to corner half. So close, guys. Oh, can we do it? No! Maybe we should have done. We're gonna go with Soul. We're gonna go with our Mixie Max Soul. There. You wanna figure out who I Mixie Max it with? We're actually Mixie Maxing with Xanadu. We go with Mohirambu. First of all. No, they're gonna go Judgment Rage, yes. Oh no, Banda. Go, down by Courier, that's a pretty neat move. Then we go with Claymore S. Yeah, we mixed Max Courier actually this time with Tochan, which I think. Oh, actually, mixed Max 12 with Tochan, sorry. Let's do this. Heaven's Drive! Kami version! I don't think it's going to stop the chance of anything. Oh, shoot. We go with another question since I'll be able to actually defeat someone. But first we go down Yakira! No! We're gonna go for Sense Commander 04! Spinning upper. Oh no. We're going with the heaven and earth thing. Will we be able to? Yes, we will. Oh, we did it! We actually did it! Let's do this. Let's defeat this person right now. We're gonna go armed! Arashi Takamaki Hurricane! Whoa, that power is pretty strong for each one. He's gonna go so strong. Oh, soul! Yes, that was a pretty good move. And yeah! Hopefully, like, I didn't really want it. I'm gonna do another, like, my next 99 team will probably use Kario again. Let's do this! Mohi Arambu! Sorry about that, I think that was the dog sneezing in the background, yeah. There we go, half time. Anyway, let's get to the second half. Oh my god, my camera's been a blur. Yes. Shinkuna is dead. Oh, 2072. Lol. Yeah, anyway, my team's mostly got mixed matches now. Like, fake, Tsurugi, sorry, with fake Tsurugi. Let's do this. Haha, boy, you Rumble. Yeah, that's his mixed match move. No. Oh no, this match is so bad. Goodbye, Mr. Buffer! I think this time I have the same pattern for this match. Ha! That was nice. I'm actually gonna give him some quick food quickly. That actually might help out. I'm gonna give him a sandwich. Let's do this. Let's do this one. Arashi Takamatsu Hurricane! Whoa, that power was pretty good. He's gonna go with reverse projection, sorry, eh? Oh, 1997! Low! We actually beat them. He's my only ice strike one here, Ichino, yeah. Like, I would say, like, people when they're like, what the heck? Ichino's a midfielder. How could he have so much power there using Hisatsus? Well, the answer to my question, I have trained him a lot. Here comes Ayamura again with Mohi Rambu! Yeah, I've really trained him quite a bit. Let's do this. Pen Dragon! Oh no. Yes, that's nicely done. Oh no, he's gonna go kind of have roll. Yeah. Getting full spun out. Move! Okay, that guy did not look cute doing that. And that was the truth. No! Oh my god, is that Melody Wave? Who the hell goes Melody Wave against Oyama? There we go, Konoha takes the ball. I'm actually surprised I haven't got to my goalkeeper yet. There's my ace striker. Let's go, let's go. I'm deciding to go with his Keshin shot. Soul Bringer. Hopefully he won't stop it. But I think he's gonna stop it anyway. Oh! 2100! That is so bad for me. That was the baddest decision I ever made. I should have gone left, but no, I went right instead. What a bad game strategist I am. And we actually did it. 2-0. Anyway, which is pretty good. And yeah. I like how I mixed max carry with Tochan and Toad's mixed trans, and what did we get? Oh my god, we got something stupid like a silver coin. Anyway, this is the 12th should here signing out with the match between Team Blizzard and of course Ixal Fleet, level 99. Yeah, signing out, over and out, dudes and dudettes. Please comment down in the comments down